Hey, this is Aiden with Workman Firearms. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the SCCY model CPX-1 and 2. Let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do when you come up to this firearm is make sure it's clear. Remove that source of ammunition, and lock the slides to the rear. Physically and visually inspect that chamber. Inspect your magazine well. One last time, physically and visually inspect that chamber. Alright, your firearm's clear. Now to disassemble this firearm, you're going to need a spent casing or a screwdriver. Doesn't matter. The first thing you're going to do is lock this slide to the rear. Now from here, take that spent casing or your screwdriver and you're going to place it in this tiny little notch that's inside the takedown pin. Place it in there and then apply pressure. That takedown pin will come right out. There you go. Grab something to put your pins in. Now from here, we're going to ride your slide forward while pressing down on your slide stop. Your slide's going to come right off. Now what I'll do is I'll remove your recoil spring. Pull right up on it. Remove your barrel. Now your firearm is completely disassembled, otherwise known as field strip. From here you can clean it or do whatever other maintenance that you need to do on your firearm. Now to reassemble it, we're just going to do this in the reverse order. Grab your slide and your barrel. Insert your barrel. Push it to the rear. Grab your recoil spring. From the guide rod, you're going to make sure that the small end of the guide rod is facing the muzzle of your barrel. Set your recoil spring in. Using your thumb, apply downward pressure. It's going to lock right into your barrel lug, just like so. Check alignment. Pick up your frame. Grab your slide. Align the slide up with your frame rails. Gently slide your slide right onto the frame rails. You shouldn't feel any type of resistance. If you do feel resistance when putting your slide back on, take it off, check alignment on your recoil spring again, and then attempt to do it one more time. Now from here, we're going to lock the slide to the rear. You're going to make sure that your barrel kind of comes out just like so. Get your takedown pin. From here, move your barrel so the kidney-shaped hole that's inside the barrel lug aligns up with the side of the frame of your firearm. Verify that you can see completely through the frame, through the kidney hole that is inside and attached to your barrel. From here, apply slight pressure and it's going to click into place. Now if it's not clicking into place and you really have to apply a lot of pressure, it's not aligned. So just wiggle your barrel just a little bit, make sure it's aligned, and then try again. You don't need to hit it with a hammer or tap it into place with a screwdriver. It should just go right into place with slight pressure using your fingers. From here, send your slide forward. Now what we're going to do is perform a functions check. Rack your slide once. Press the trigger in. Hold it to the rear. Rack your slide a second time while holding your trigger to the rear. Slowly release, listening for the reset. Alright, your firearm has passed the functions check and has been completely reassembled. Thank you.